Greetings, fellow readers. I recently delved into a historical fiction novel that left a profound impact on me. The book is titled Darkness They Could Not See, Voyage Book 1 by Ron Costello. If you appreciate tales of adventure, history, and human resilience, this book deserves your attention. A journey back to 1492. Picture yourself aboard a ship in 1492 with towering waves crashing against the hull. This is the vivid world Ron Costello recreates in his novel. The narrative centers on Christopher Columbus's inaugural voyage to the New World. It was an era when sailors dared not venture beyond the sight of land, and the unknown was both exhilarating and terrifying. The heart of the story. The novel immerses you in an unforgettable journey through the perspectives of a cabin boy, the admiral, Columbus himself, and a Taino princess named the Blood Woman. The tension is palpable as Columbus grapples with maintaining control over his crew amidst the threat of scurvy and growing discontent. The stakes are immense, and each page is laden with suspense and intrigue. Three voices writing a story in the first person, present tense about events that transpired hundreds of years ago is no simple feat. There must be a voice or narrator conveying the story to you, the reader. It cannot be the author, as he was not present. In this novel, three narrators tell the story: the Blood Woman, Pedro, and Columbus. The Blood Woman was a Taino princess who wielded significant power in her Haiti settlement. She was the daughter of Anacaona, a great tribal chieftain from the Zaragua nation. Due to circumstances revealed in the story, the Blood Woman resided with the Haiti Taino. She is depicted as beautiful, athletic, and intelligent. She falls in love with Columbus's cabin boy, Pedro. Pedro, the son of a learned man, was taught to read, write, and think critically by his father, a scribe for Prince John. After losing his parents to the plague that ravaged Spain, Pedro set out on his own. He joined a gang to survive and became an unexpected member of Columbus's crew. Recognizing his intelligence, Columbus made Pedro his cabin boy. Pedro, in turn, falls in love with the Blood Woman. The theme of Columbus. Christopher Columbus remains one of history's most controversial figures. Opinions about him vary widely. Some view him as a blundering fool who believed he had found a western sea route to India, China, and Japan until his death. Many, particularly the descendants of the indigenous Caribbean people, see him as a genocidal oppressor who sought gold and decimated the Taino population. Others regard him as a bold and brilliant seaman who paved the way for westward exploration. Some see him as a symbol of Italian heritage, a proud Genoese Catholic who is now harshly criticized. Did he discover America? That depends on what one considered America in 1492. The Blood Woman and Pedro are fictional characters. Columbus, however, is not, nor are the many sailing techniques he employed. The only historical record of his first voyage is a log he kept on the Santa Maria. The condition of late medieval Europe and the lifestyle of the Taino people are also based on historical records. About the author, Ron Costello was born and raised in Belmont Hills. a working class area on the edge of Philadelphia. He uses his rich background to craft stories filled with compelling dialogue and tense confrontations. His Hill series is also worth exploring if you enjoy gripping narratives. A call to adventure. If you seek a book that will transport you to another time and place, Darkness They Could Not See is an excellent choice. It is a high stakes adventure that will keep you engaged from start to finish. Moreover, it offers a unique perspective on a pivotal movement in history through a captivating narrative. So, why wait? Order your copy today and embark on this extraordinary journey. It is a story that will linger in your mind long after you turn the last page. Happy reading! Feel free to share your thoughts on the book in the comments below. I would love to hear your impressions. If you are new to this channel, subscribe now, like and share this video.